That sounds like shit. Look how much smoke.
Smell like a bucket, man.
Yeah.
Sound like a bucket.
It is a bucket.